Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We have a screw down in here. We're going to pull this cover off with a flat blade tool. Just get in under here and pry up. And there's a Phillips head screw right there. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull this screw out. And we can grab right here and pull up. Pull the switches out. There's a clip right under here. If you need a trim tool, just pry up. There's the clip right there. We can disconnect these electrical connectors. Just push down, terminal, pull it out. And then with this one, the little lock is in there a little bit, so I'll use a flat blade tool to help me. And then just work it back and forth, pull that out. All right, we're gonna remove the switches from this cover. First thing we have is some Phillips head screws. We'll take these out with a Phillips head screwdriver. And the last one right here. And then the window switches with the lock switch comes out. To install the window switches, you just slide this back on here. Get this Phillips head screw started, and then we'll put the other two in. Once they're all started, tighten them down. Remember, it's plastic, so just snug, not too tight. You don't want to strip it. Just like that. Okay, we have our wiring connectors out. We can connect our mirror switch, then connect our window switches. Make sure those are locked in. And we can take that, push that down, and then we'll take our Phillips head screw, reinstall that. Just snug that down and close the lid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.